Hey business owner, feeling exhausted, working long hours, but your business still isn't growing the way you want? You wake up tired, you go to work, just to make ends meet. You thought running your own business would give you more freedom, but now you feel like you're trapped. Let me ask you, do you ever wonder if this is the only way to do business? What is for you? Do you deserve more freedom for all the effort you're putting in? What if your business could grow without you burning out? If you're a solopreneur or a small business owner with a tiny team, this probably sounds familiar. You're juggling everything: sales, marketing, customer service, even cleaning the office. But at what cost? Have you ever asked yourself, what would my life look like if I could step away for a week and my income didn't disappear? Why does growth feel like it only comes with more stress, not less? What would need to change for me to actually enjoy the success I've built? The truth is, hustling harder isn't always the answer. More hours won't magically create more freedom. But what if you could build a business that runs smoothly, even when you take a break? That's exactly what this channel is all about. Helping solopreneurs like you break free from the burnout, scale smarter, and take back control of your time. On this channel, I'll be sharing free tips, strategies, and insights from my own experience building a service-based business, so you can learn how to do more, earn more, and actually enjoy the life you've worked so hard for. If this message hit home, let's figure it out together. Hit the like button, subscribe, and drop a comment below. What's the biggest struggle in your business right now? I'll be replying to every comment. You've worked hard for your business. Now let's make it work for you.